May I come in, sir?
Please
Come. Good evening, sir.
please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
You have completed your post graduation in public administration
Sir,
from IGNO.
sir.
Huh? What are you doing now?
Sir, presently I am a training instructor in Indian Air Force.
It is a full-time job or part-time job?
Full-time job, permanent job.
Are they allowing you to appear all these exams?
Sir, I am in last year of my service. I have taken provisional discharge and NOC.
Oh, last year of service.
Sir,
अच्छा 20 years of service total.
sir.
अच्छा अच्छा. You are from Bhadrak.
Sir, I am from.
Please name few literary persons of Bhadrak.
Sir, Banchanidhi Mahanti, Kantakabhi Lakshmikant Mahapatra, Kavi Anant Patnaik, and
What is the potential of Dhamra port?
so Dhamra port is now utilized in for the importing of cargoes as well as coal.
Involve traffic congestion now taking place in every national highways, every city. Do you support promoting of inland communication system?
Sir, inland promotion of inland communication is not so good idea. Instead of some sea route communication.
Why?
Sir, it is less expensive.
Inland communication.
Inland waterway communication.
Inland water communication is less expensive.
Sir,
That I am asking you. Do you support the idea of promoting inland water communication in place of more emphasis on road?
sir, definitely yes, sir. I am supporting inland
Why?
waterway communication.
Why?
Sir, inland waterway communication, we feel there is less expenditure, but in everywhere it is not possible also. So as well as we have to, where it is possible to for the development of waterways, we have to go for that. Where it is not possible, we have to find other way, that is surface mode of transportation.
Achha, there is one major program of government of India as well as government of Odisha
Sir,
going on in block level for children and women. What is that?
sorry sir, I am not able to.
ICDS. What is ICDS?
Educated child,
Child development.
of home.
ICDS services. Do you know what services are available under that particular scheme?
Sir, that is Anganwadi schemes is, coming under ICDS.
What is that scheme? Anganwadi scheme, what is that?
They groom from the child from the age of 3 to 6 years with both educationally and in nutritional level.
You are now working in which place?
Sir, presently I am working in Chandigarh Air Force Station, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
Sir.
Then my question is very pertinent to you. Do you support the farmers' agitation or minimum support price for each farm produce?
Sir.
Do you support it?
No, sir.
Why?
So there are several factors we have to look into that matters for deciding MSP.
Why the farmers of Haryana, Punjab and some from UP are supporting this particular agitation, not other farmers?
So they are particularly asking for the MSP for the rice and wheat.
No, they are demanding for everything, every agriculture produce, not for rice and wheat. Rice, the already support price is there. They are demanding for each and every agriculture produce.
Sir, exactly I don't know why the things is happening.
What is the Khalistan demand?
Khalistan to make an separate statehood for the Punjab.
Why? What is the ground?
So this movement start from very beginning of even if before our independence.
What is SGPC?
Yes, sir.
SGPC.
Sorry, sir.
Shirudwara Shiromani Gurudwara
Akal.
Prabandhak Committee. SG Do you have any idea?
Sir,
Tell.
sir, they're the peoples. They're motivated by the Mohandas of some Gurudhar who have some extremist ideas.
What is RSS?
Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh.
Who is its head?
Uh, Presently,
Recently he gave a slogan
sir,
during a speech.
Sir,
Mohan Bhagat, recently during a speech, he stated that there should be people should adopt 3 children norm. Do you support it?
sir, I don't have any idea regarding this comment.
Okay. Achha, Odisha has border dispute with Andhra.
Sir,
Do you know it relates to which village?
see, Kotia Panchayat.
Which block? Of which district?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
What is 3-tier Panchayat Raj system?
Sir, in Odisha, we are adapting a 3-type Panchayat Raj system. In grassroots level, that is Gram Panchayat, then Panchayat Samiti, and block level, and in the upper level, Jilla Parishad.
Okay, Muralidhar.
Sir,
What is the meaning of Muralidhar?
sir, it is the name of one of the other name of Lord Krishna.
So what are the 10 incarnations as per Hindu mythology?
Sir, Matsya Avatar, then Kruma Avatar, Varaha Avatar, then Narsingh Avatar.
Okay, very good. Muralidhar,
Sir,
you have opted Odia literature as your optional in OPSC civil service examination.
sir,
I usually used to say the glory of Odia literature is the spectacular story written by Fakir Mohan Senapati. How can you explain it?
Sir, Fakir Mohan Senapati is the founding father of Odia literature. Due to him, people of Odisha, they know how the potential of Odia literature is.
Okay, for that reason. Okay, so Odia literature, can you tell me who is your favorite poet?
Sir, my favorite poet is Ramakant Ratha.
Ramakant Rath. Okay, what is his contribution?
Sir, his contribution is Sri Radha,
Okay.
Saptamaritu,
Okay.
Lanthana, and Chandramari.
Okay, very good. Can you tell us the theme of Sri Radha?
Sir, it is a imagination character of love for the Sri Radha in a modern view. How the youth
It's
perceives.
an imaginary character, it's a mythological
Sir,
character.
it's a mythological character.
Okay. So what Sri Radha implicates? Sri Radha means it is Atma or it is Paramatma?
Sri Radha means it's Paramatma.
Then what is Krishna? Krishna means it is Atma.
Atma. In that
Krishna is Atma and Sri Radha is Paramatma.
so in that poem, it seems like this.
In that book with the title Sri Radha,
Sir,
Ramakanta Ratha has used the concept Radha for Atma or for Paramatma?
sir, for Paramatma.
No, for Atma. Atma is praying before Paramatma to merge its identity with Paramatma.
Sir,
Have you remembered?
sir, yes, sir.
ଅନ୍ୟ ସବୁ ସକାଳଠୁ ଆଜିର ସକାଳ କାହିଁକି କେଜାଣି ଲାଗେ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା. Atma is praying before Paramatma. Okay, so have you read something written by Surendra Mahanti?
Yes, sir.
What are his writings?
Sir, I have read Muralidhar Mrityu.
Maralara Mrityu. What it signifies? What is the meaning of Maralara Mrityu?
So it's the destruction of, is the death of Atma.
अच्छा.
जो
स्वप्न
Muralidhar
चेतनार केमिति मृत्यु घटुछि मराळर मृत्यु. अच्छा, so the first historical novel written by Surendra Mahanti. Can you tell the title of the novel?
sir, I think it's related to Buddhism but I'm not confirmed.
Okay. First political novel also in Odia literature written by Surendra Mahathi. Can you tell the name?
Sorry, sir.
Andha Diganta.
Sir.
Have you read?
No, sir.
Okay, just tell us, you are in
Sir.
Indian Air Force and right now you want to come to in Odisha Administrative Service.
Sir.
Why are you interested to come and join in Odisha Administrative Service?
Sir, I
Why
have.
not to continue your job there?
Sir, I have served 20 years.
20 years, but
in
you can
uniform.
also extend.
So
If
what
you want, if you want, it can be also extended.
Yes, sir.
But why, without extending your job, you want to switch over to Odisha Administrative Service?
Sir, first thing, my attachment with Odisha. First of all, Odisha Administrative Service or Odisha Civil Service, it will give me an opportunity to work in my state. And second thing, my angle of vision, my area of responsibility will be more in this service. I can directly serve for some people in Odisha, and whatever the value I have learnt in last 20 years, so I can utilize this value for the sake of administration.
Okay, very good. Just tell us why we will select you for this job. What speciality is there so that we would select you?
Sir, first of all, I am a disciplined soldier, and I have worked under so many pressure. I prefer service before self. I am an honest. I feel integrity with my colleagues. These are the quality, and after all, the Odisha examination process, the merit list, if it allow me, and
Okay, thank you, sir.
So Muralidhar, right? Muralidhar. So you have already served Indian Air Force 20 years. Recently, that Operation Sindhu took place.
sir.
Which were two missiles that we used to strike those heartland of terrorism.
So first we have used the Akash. Then we got success with the Brahmas missile.
Don't you think that we used scalp and scalp missile, hammer missile?
Sir, we have used.
Then Akash comes later, right?
Sir,
Precision guided missiles to destroy the terrorist infrastructure.
And that was scalp and
Scalps and
hammer.
hammers.
Yes, sir.
That
Then-
is from Israel.
Yes. Then we later we use the Akash to air defense. Okay. As you have served in the army, that means Air Force, you might be aware about the air defense system of India.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between Prithvi air defense system of India and the advanced air defense system of India, which we call it in short AD and PAD?
Sir, actually, these are some complicated issues. How this system functions. In
No,
advanced air defense system, just like the system used in our S-400. And
Okay, let's say, okay, if you are saying it's a complex one, let's say I am having two missiles, option.
Sir,
One is Agni 5
sir,
and one is short range missile.
sir.
Which one will be used for what?
Sir, if we'll our target and our retaliation thing, that will decide as per our accuracy and our demand. If there is a long range target, we will use Agni, and if a short range missile, then we will use the short range missile.
Agni Prime, have you heard about that?
Yes, sir.
What is the specialty of Agni Prime?
So, its range is beyond 5,000 kilometers.
Agni Prime. Are you sure? That is Agni 5, you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pathankot Air Base was also attacked in the history. In which year Pathankot Air Base was attacked?
Sir, in the year of 2015 December.
2015,
15 December,
December.
sir.
Then what happened? Did we counter them or not?
Yes, sir.
It was
We have done it.
2015, right? You mentioned, huh? Okay. What is the largest airbase of India?
Sir, at present, the largest airbase, I think, Ambala Air Force Station.
Ambala in
Sir,
Punjab.
Ambala Kent.
Then what is Karevar project?
Sorry, sir.
Karevar project.
Sorry, sir. I don't.
Have you heard about project 75B, 75A?
Yes, sir. That is the Scorpion class submarine. We are
Having
developing.
speciality, Scorpion class, how it is different from Ariant class.
So this is nuclear powered.
And Scorpion class?
No, this is Scorpion class is
Nuclear
nuclear.
Then what
powered.
is Ariant?
This is both diesel with air pressure.
I think you are getting confusing yourself, right?
Sir.
You are just answering opposite, right? So being a defense personnel, we believe you will have such kind of idea.
Okay.
Okay, now comes to some, as you are having passion, ODI as optional, right?
Sir.
That means art and culture, you are also pretty good with culture.
Yes, sir.
ODI is a classical language or not?
Odia is not a classical language, but you have got the status of classical language.
So ODI is not a classical language, you are saying.
No, sir.
We have got the status.
Status.
Okay, to get the status of a classical language, what would be the criteria?
Sir, there is analysis of last 5 years glory of that languages and
Only 5 years,
500 years.
500 years. Are you
500.
sure?
Sir.
It's 1500,
Sir.
1500. It's not 500 only. At least 1500. That means 1500 to 2000 years. Recently, how many languages has been given classical status?
Sir, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia. 5 languages.
Okay. Last question. Since you have been posted in Punjab,
Sir.
recently Punjab also facing a huge flood. Any
Huge
reason?
flood. Sir, this is due to erratic rainfall, so due to western disturbances, and the anthropogenic cause was due to unscheduled and unwanted developments in the hilly terrains.
Okay, thank you. So your interview ends here, and we will have the feedback session. Feedback session from my side, I will say that you have need to improve the eye contact with the rest of the members while answering each others. And whatever the answer you have given to the panelist members, I think the majority of the answers were not having the clarity of thought.
Okay, sir.
So you are getting confused yourselves. So be update yourself as starting from, I would say, the chairman. The questions sir asked, the questions, there was also ambiguity of the answer. None of the questions were having the pinpoint answer.
Okay.
But in civil service, we believe that the civil servant must be accurate and precise.
Sir.
And you are also coming from all the way from the defense background. We also hope from you the same thing must be reflected in your personality. The clarity of answer was somehow there was not there,
Sir.
and you need to improve. And the erroneous statement, please don't give that.
Okay, sir.